Hello friends, good morning. Hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about passive voice. How you can speak English without hesitations, how you can speak English without translating from your native language to English. I'll be sharing tips and tricks in this chapter, and through that you will be able to enhance your fluency. You will be able to speak English without translating, without hesitating. So let's begin. My friends, there are 4 actions: routine, continuous, perfect, perfect, continuous, and each action can be done in 3 times: present, past, and future. So we'll take one action and we'll do it in 3 times. Previous chapter we talked about active voice. We talked about all the actions in active voice. Here in this session we'll talk about passive voice. What is the passive voice? Passive voice means in the sentence there is no doer. It means if you are speaking English, you are talking to somebody and you don't want to show the doer, passive voice. So let's begin with. In the routine action means what? Routine means the action which you do every day. And if you want to speak the passive voice in the routine action, how would you say? You are supported at every level. And past, you want to say you were supported at every level. You will be supported at every level. My friends, remember, one action 3 times. One action 3 times. And meaning is one. Meaning is same. If I say you are supported at every level, you were supported at every level, you will be supported at every level, it means what? Meaning is one. Only time is different. And the way you were saying, the way you were just talking, it means you don't want to show the doer, don't want to speak about doer. Let me give you one more examples. She is helped. There is no doer in the sentence. You want to speak the same thing in the past time, she was helped. You want to speak the same thing in the future time, she will be helped. So my friends, remember, in the passive voice, whenever you are speaking, there is no doer in the sentence. Second, everywhere the third form of the verb is used. So you have to use the third form of the verb, like taken, broken, helped, supported, guided. Moving to the next. Continuous action. Continuous means the action which you keep in the progress. So I say you are being supported. And in the same thing you want to say in the past time, you were being supported. Future is not relevant, which is why I'm not going to say the future sentence, future passive voice. It's not relevant. So you are being supported, you were being supported. There is no future time. You cannot say, you cannot speak that. That's not relevant. Moving to the next action, perfect. Perfect means what? The finished action, the work which has been finished. So let's begin with. So you can say it has been completed in the present time. Same thing you want to say, it had been completed. In the future, same thing you want to say, it will have been completed. It has been completed, it had been completed, it will have been completed. My friends, it's very, very easy. Just stand, practice 10 to 20 minutes. Definitely your fluency will be enhanced. And remember, when there is no doer in the sentence, it means passive voice. Second definition is when action verb is being applied on the subject, there is a passive voice. She is helped. In the past, she was helped. In the continuous, she is being helped. Past, she was being helped. Perfect, she has been helped. She had been helped. She will have been helped. So remember, my friends, keep practicing. The more you practice, the better your English will be. You do not have to translate from one language to another language. Just speak directly. Remember, one action 3 times. And when you want to speak the passive voice, there must not be a doer in the sentence. Thank you very much for today. We'll meet you in the next chapter. Till then, goodbye.
Today's gonna be a good day. Yeah. Set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the